Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to a very different type of video. Enjoy. Hi everyone, Gothic Witch here. We're going to do something very different today. Something that Freya came through to me and said she wanted to do. It is a sacred rite of mine with Freya today. We will have a nice time, for Freya's messages are very important, which is why I don't always put them on here. Today's message will be apt, and so for the first little bit I am going to be doing a trance with a blindfold on. As you can see, we have our fire of life and our air of breath within. A time when we come together with the gods and the goddesses. A time when we come together and spend time with the gods, with the goddesses. A time spent well. A time of no time, of no place. Only how you feel now. As you can tell, I have already started my trance-like state, which has been accumulated over the last few hours. A time of peace and knowledge gained, a time of transformation from daggers. We call on that rune daggers today, for it is the one that will gain us a transformation in trance. My friends, you can do this with me as we go into a trance-like state. I hope you get something from this message today. I'm going to now use my blindfold, for the blindfold stops anything. The blindfold stops the senses. And as we start, we take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. So take some deep breaths in and enjoy. Light some incense, it may help you to drift. From now, what I do comes from within. From within it comes. And so, my friends, something I don't always put upon video, but I needed to do it this way today, for it is what's within. Freya, oh Freya, enter for me to make your word come before those who wish to hear this word today. Oh Freya, come this day, enter through me, that I will say your words. Oh Freya, come this day, enter through me, and speak your words. Freya, come this day, enter through me, and speak your words. Freya, oh Freya, goddess of love and light, of war and death, of birth and deceasement. Come and work through me this day. Hail Freya, goddess of love and light, of pure decision, of delight, of sensuality, of all that is and all that will be. Freya, come this day. Hail Freya. Hail Freya, hail Freya. Hail to the mighty one of war and death, of resurrection of the soul, within, not without. Oh Freya, come this day and speak of your might. I am come this day from a faraway place within, on the plains of the hills from where I was born. From fire came my life, and Frey flames are within me now. There are those of you this day, who are going to go through a type of rebirth of fire. The fire that some of you avoid. The fire that will either give life or destroy. My message to you this day is to embrace your paths, to avoid the destruction of those on the same paths, to learn to live with each other, either in person or in the way you are together, be it via your type of social setting. There are many of you that are doing destructions to each other through the words and thought and the way that you use it. You must stop this, for it will not gain you anything but a destruction of your own soul purpose. The fire is here to initiate you and let you learn your path with your deity. Be it me or any of my so-called brethren. We have thoughts like you, and we have much to help you and to guide you with. You must learn to not just use us in your plights, not to use us in the plights of your magic, but to use and know and grow with us from within on a daily basis. For we are not to be put in the cupboard and brought out when it suits. For people that do this are not the true children or followers of us. For we have a great job on this earth to do, and this is not what is happening. Please take heed, children of the gods. Take heed. Please look to what you are doing and bring joy to your heart through us. We are your helpers, your guides, the ones that are teaching you. Don't let financial greed and jealousies get in the way of what you are meant to be doing. You have a gifting and a follow to make you do your soul path. You must excuse me, for my channel is not always as easy as it may seem. I come this day also to bring much love to my ones that are with me always, and I send this love and emotional outcry to you this day. Thank you for all who do what their path of the soul is telling them, for we all have journeys, including us who you know as the gods, as the old ones. We had feelings and we loved and hated, and I take leave now, for the blindfold must come off. I'm sorry guys. Freya is getting weak and I feel her leaving. I think the message came across. I think it came across. Oh, excuse me. I knew something fell. Okay. Thank you all. You must realise that when we do this stuff, in the real thing of it all, it does drain us and it does take it out of us. I think the message came across today that there are those out there who are not doing what they are really just there for the financial side of things, and it's not what it's meant to be. I think she sent a timely message for love to grow between those of the brethren or the brethren, of those that are following similar paths, that we shouldn't all be judgmental or jealous of each other or trying to make money out of it. It is a purpose on the earth to help the earth grow. I do thank you all that you watched today. I hope the message came through clearly, for I don't know. I am not always present when she is speaking. All I know is that it was very emotional and it drained me within. So I am going to leave it there, guys. It is a short one, but it's one that has taken its toll on me. And I wish you all a happy day, whatever time of day or night it may be. I wish you the best, and I hope you can find time to join with your deity, be it Freya or whoever, on a daily basis, and let them teach you the ways. I'm sending love and light to all of you, and I hope it wasn't a heavy message. Anyway, I'll be back this time next week, or in the middle of the week, so wherever you are, whatever time of night or day it is, I wish you the best ever. House of Alang.